Good morning, students, and today we will start our next topic of arithmetic mean, that is shortcut method. As we have already done direct method of the direct series or the individual series, so today we will start shortcut method of individual series or direct series. So shortcut method is used when the size of the item is very large. जहाँ पे साइज ऑफ आइटम वो बहुत ज़्यादा लार्ज है, मतलब लार्ज कैलकुलेशन यू हैव टू डू, देयर shortcut method is used. And in shortcut method there are various steps involved that we will going to discuss. So first of all, before finding an actual average, some value in the series is taken as assumed average. तो जो भी हमें डाटा गिवन है उसमें से हम क्या करते हैं, एक assumed average we have to find out, or it may be the middle item of the given series, or we can take the average of the two items. So before finding an actual average, some value in the series is taken as assumed average. Assumed average should preferably be in the middle item of the series. If the numbers are in odd, such as we have given 11 number in the series, so we can take the sixth item. But if it is not given, so we can take the average of the two large item, or we can take any of the item as assumed average. So assumed average is generally taken by dividing by 2 the total of the maximum or the minimum value of the item, or it is always a complete number and often denoted as 8. It should always be a complete number. It shouldn't be जैसे कि 11.5 10.5, it can't be like that. It should be a complete number and it is always denoted by a. assume इनको हम denote करते हैं a के साथ. So after calculating or after deciding the assumed mean, next step is to find out deviations of the different values from the assumed average, and found each deviation is written against the constant value in the series. So our next step is to find out deviation, and deviation is find out with the help of x, that is a given series numbers, and assume mean, the assumed average that we have already find out from our series. So while noting, next is while noting down the deviations against a particular sign of deviation, plus or minus must be specified. Means while subtracting x minus a, you have to give the items specified signs, whether it be positive or negative. Next is find the sum total of all the deviations, add up the positive deviation and the negative deviations. While you are calculating the deviations, some items may be positive or some items may be negative. So first of all you have to do is putting the sign, and next you have to add, or you have to do sum of deviations positive or negative separately. As there is an example we have in the deviation as minus 15, minus 10 and 20, positive 5 and positive 10. So we have to do that separately. We have to calculate, as the sum of minus deviations is minus 45 and the positive is 15. So while calculating the deviation, it is minus 30. So we have to be very careful while calculating deviations, whether it is positive or negative. And the formula of calculating the shortcut method is x bar, that is mean is denoted with the x bar, is equal to a plus sigma de over n. A is our assumed average plus sigma d. D is the sum of deviations over n, the number of observations. Now I am taking an example. Pocket allowances of 10 students are given and we have to calculate arithmetic mean while using the shortcut method. Now the number of students, there are 10 students, so we have given the number. The pocket allowances is 15, 20, 30, 22, 25, 50, 18, 40, 50, 55, 65, and we have considered 40 as our assumed average. So first of all, what we have to do is find out the deviation, that is x minus a. So these are our deviations, these are our x that is given here, and we are finding out the deviation while minus or subtracting from x minus a. So 15 minus 40 is minus 25, 20 minus 40 is minus 20, minus 10 and minus 18. 25 minus 40 is 15, 18 minus 40 is 22. Then 40 minus 40 is 0, 50 minus 40 is 10, then 15 and then 25. So now we have to find out sum while adding negative items separately or the positive items separately. So while finding out the negative item, the sum of negative item, it is minus 110, and the sum of positive items is 50. Okay, after finding out that, what we have to do is, so the net sum of deviation is minus 110 plus 50 is minus 60. This is our sigma d. Now putting all the values in the formula, so mean is equal to a plus sigma d over n. So 40 is our assumed average plus minus 60 over 10. So while calculating this figure first, and you have to remember that firstly we have to calculate this figure minus, that is sigma d over n. So minus 60 over 10 is minus 6 plus minus minus, then you have to deduct this value from this, and 40 minus 6 is 34. So that's how you have to calculate your assumed mean method or the shortcut method. I have given you some home assignments and you have to calculate this method while using these following steps. Thank you.